So now you look at this question. The distance between the city A and city A is here, okay, and B, the distance between A can be Singapore, Malaysia lah, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur lah, okay. Between A and B, I'm going to draw the distance between these two is 450 kilometers. So this is the distance, kilometer. You know that this is a D, okay? D is equal to 450 kilometer. So the first thing you do, write down this, okay? Now, Michael took 5 hours to travel from city A to B. So in order to, when he go from A to B, how long did he take? He took 5 hours. So this is the time. The time is he took to travel from A to B, he took 5 hours. 5 hours. Okay? You're supposed to find, okay, the speed, S. Okay, S. So I've given you the distance, I've given you the time. You're supposed to find S. S is the speed, right? So now the question is, okay, S, define the speed. To find the speed, you must know the formula. So I go back to this formula again, okay? The formula is equals to ds over t, isn't it? I want you to tell me, anyone tell me, if I want to find the speed, what is the formula by looking at the triangle?
D times T.
Oh, no.
D divided by T.
D divided by T. How come it's a time, Darwin, you tell me it's a time. How did you get a time?
Oh, maybe because I still really don't understand this so well. So I thought it was time.
No. Oh, you look at the triangle, okay? Look at the triangle I draw for you. Like just now, Li-Ling mentioned is D over T, right? You look at the triangle that I draw for you. If I want to find S, S is a speed, right? S is a speed, isn't it? S is equals to, can you look at the triangle? Tell me what do you have on top? D, right? Darwin, is it D?
Yes.
What is below D?
S and T.
No. I'm talking about, I want to find the speed, okay? S, okay? Don't talk about S now because S is equals to, look at the one that I never circle. S is equals to what? D over T, isn't it? Is it D over T, Darwin?
Yes.
So the formula is D over T, lor. Can you see that? Yeah. Isn't it? You look at the triangle, you will know. You look at the triangle, you know. So I just want to test you again, Darwin, to make sure you understand what I'm talking about. If I want to find time, can you tell me what's the formula? Darwin? If I want to find time, what's the formula?
D divided by S.
Very good. Yeah, D divided by S. But looking at the formula, right? Okay, now Darwin, I want you to tell me, if I want to find D, what is the formula?
S divided by T.
No, it's not a divide. You look at the triangle, they are on the same line. How can it be divide?
Times.
Yeah, they're on the same line. S times T, okay, S times straight line, isn't it? S times T. Is it okay? So right now I'm looking for speed. The question is looking for speed now, okay? So if I look for speed, what is the formula, Darwin? Give me the formula for speed.
D divided by T.
D divided by T. So I'll go back to your question again, okay? If I want to find S, the formula is D divided by T, yeah? So what is the distance? The distance given to you is 450 kilometer. 450 kilometer, okay? What is the time? The time is given 5 hours, isn't it? So 5 hours. All you need to do is to take 450 divided by 5, you have 90. And the unit is kilometer per hour. This km, kilometer per hour. Yeah? So you have kilometer per hour. That's why you have the answer. Yeah, the answer is here. Okay? Yeah. Is it straightforward? Anyone? Question? Oh, these are very easy, but I tell you, exam not so simple. I'll give a difficult one later. I'll do some simple one for you first, so you know what I'm talking about, yeah? Okay, look at this. Same thing, Now, you look at this question, everybody. Jeremy drove 150 kilometers in the first 3 hours. He then drove 155 for the next 2 hours. Find the average speed for the whole journey. Look at this again. Okay. The total distance travel is find the average speed for the whole journey. So what you can do is you can actually do this. Find the speed for this one first. Find the speed, okay? Find the average speed of the whole journey. Yeah. Find the average speed for the whole journey. Okay. What they want is they want to find out they want to find out the whole speed itself, because you can see that they actually travel different speed. First of all, they travel 150 in 3 hours, 150 kilometers in 3 hours. Then you travel another 155 kilometers in the next 2 hours. You're going to find the speed. So what they did was, number one, you find the total distance first. Okay, the total distance is 150 plus 155, right? That's what I can see here. Okay, 150 plus 155. This plus this. Okay, then what is the time that you travel from A to B? He actually traveled, first of all, he traveled by 3 hours, then he followed by 5 hours. So this is the time that he took altogether. So the average speed will be, you take the whole thing, divide together. You actually taking distance divide by time, then you have the speed. Okay, all right? You have the speed already. That's what you do. Yeah. Is it okay?
That's the one.
Yeah, okay. Actually, yeah, sorry. Your question?
Can we do different part?
Oh yeah,
Part?
this one, this question 11. Yeah. Okay. I think what you can do is, first of all, you can actually find this one. Find the average speed for the first one. Am I correct? Right. Then you find the average speed for the second one, right? Then these two average speed you add up together, divide by 2, you get the same answer also. So how do you do? Maybe Li-Ling, you tell us how do you do it? Is it Li-Ling?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell me how you do it? Second.
150 km
60 km. Where is 60 km?
divide by
150.
150 km divide by 3.
Divide by 3. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's do what you did. Okay. Can we all do it together? You take 150, because the speed is the first one. The speed is S equals to D over T, right? Am I correct? It will be 150 divided by 3. T will give you speed will be 5 times 3, 15, 50 kilometer an hour. Okay, that's the first one, right? Okay, then the second one. Then you do the second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, second one will be S. I'll take S2. Also, the distance over speed. What is the distance for the second one? 155, is it?
Yeah.
155 divided by 2.
2.
Give you?
77.5.
7 times 2, 14. 7 times 77.5, right? Is it?
77.5.
77.5. So how do you find the average speed? You have two different speeds now. One is 50, one is 77.5. So how do you find the average speed? Can you tell me? You take?
Until this point, I don't know already.
Okay. If you find two speed, because you see the first one is actually the average speed of the first one. This is the average speed of the second one. If you want a combined speed, what you can do, you can actually take 50, plus 77.5 divided by 2. Can you take out a calculator, everybody? Yeah.
50 plus 75 divided by
50 plus 77.5 plus 77.5 divided by 2. You get 63, right? You get 63.75, isn't it? Is it correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, this is another way of doing it, but apparently the answer is slightly different. One is 63.75, one is 61, right? But they're very close, okay? Because this is that you must understand that you are talking about the average speed. Okay, so it's not how you want to calculate. If you want to calculate this way, you get 61. You calculate this way, you get 63.75. You know, I think both are correct. But when you want to talk about average speed here, okay. But if you ask me, which one do you prefer to do? Okay, if you ask me, I would prefer to do the second one actually. But I don't know why they actually use this method of doing it. You get
Yeah, so,
this one is a better. This is a better answer.
Mr. Wong,
Yeah.
okay.
so method 1 or 2 both can, right? Or we should just try to use method 2?
Yeah. Both method also can. Both method also can. But to me, this will be a more accurate answer. This one, if you are using the second method.
Second method.
Yeah, second method. I don't know why they want to add the distance this way and then you average out. The better way would be to do it separately. You know, this will be a more accurate answer. This one.
Thank you, Mr. Wong.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
so the first, well, the second method, right?
Yeah.
Where do you get the 2? Do you get the 2 from the 155?
Oh,
that-
where did I get the 2 from? Is it?
Yeah.
The 2 is from here. You look at the second statement. He then drove 155 kilometers for the next 2 hours. I get the 2 from here. Because it's
So
155 155. Can you see?
yeah. So after you get the 77.5, and then you do 50 plus that, and then
Total
divide.
distance.
So
Then
you take the same 2, put it there to.
where did I get? Oh, I see. Where did I get
Yeah,
these 2?
that's
These
what I
2,
was
right?
asking.
Okay, these 2 because there are 2, 1 and 2, because of 2 speed. Not
Okay.
because of 2 hours, because of 2 speed. Speed number 1 and speed number 2. Can you see that? Because of 2. If I got 3 speed, I will divide by 3.
Oh, okay. So it's just the speed,
Yeah,
there's
not the
2
time.
speed. Okay.
Yeah, right. It's not the time. It's actually because there are 2 speeds, so I divide by 2. Yeah.
Okay.
You know the question they use this method. This is not a very good method. No? They add up together first. They add up the distance. They add up the time, and then you divide. This is not good. You know, the first. I find it very strange why they did this. You should actually calculate separately, which I did here. Now, first of all, you must find the first speed. Then you find the second speed, and then you divide by 2. You know, both add up together. You divide by 2. You have the average. You should be more accurate by doing this. Okay. Right. So Lily, that's why you did the first one, is it? Can I say that, Lily? The second one, is it? You did. The
Yeah,
answer is
I see 7. So I cannot know why they get 61.
you got 63, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I saw the
yeah.
answer is different, so I asked.
Yeah. Very strange. Honestly, very strange why they use this method. They should calculate separately. It's more accurate. Take the average speed of the first one plus the average of speed of the second one, and then you divide by 2. That will be more accurate. Okay, right? So your answer is correct, 63.75. I actually recommend this. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now based on these 2, you all look at this. This is a bit easy, you know. So I'm going to give you some question to do already, all of you, okay? All right. So I'm going to give you some more difficult. Now everybody, I want you to do this since you understand distance, speed, time. Now everybody look at this question. I want you to do it yourself first. Sandy drives to work at an average speed of 67 kilometers an hour. The distance between her house and the office is 120.6 kilometers. If she leaves her house at 7:15 in the morning, 0715 is 7:15 in the morning, okay? What time will she reach her office? Okay, you got to find the time, and then you plus to the time that they give you here, and then you'll know what time she reach office. To help you, all of you must learn how to draw diagram first, okay? Learn how to start to draw the diagram. Yeah, doing it. I hope you are doing it because I know that we didn't spend much time on distance, speed, and time because I thought it was not too difficult, so I didn't want to spend too much time. But since this is an extra lesson, it's good that we do it lah, together. Yeah. So before I show it to you, I hope you can do it. Let's do it yourself first. Draw the diagram. You must learn how to draw a diagram, huh? So what's the answer? Anybody? You already finished, you know? Anybody? Anybody managed to do this? I give you some time to do. I don't want to give you, just show you. You must try. Yeah? Is there any?
That one I've done already.
Sorry, what's the answer?
Or 9 o'clock, then 9
Oh, 9 o'clock.
3 minutes.
Oh, 9 o'clock, 3 minutes. Very good. So your answer is 9 a.m. 9.3
AM, yeah.
a.m. in the morning lah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's wait for the rest. Let them do it first. Do you have this? Hmm? 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:03 a.m. Huh? Sandy drive to work at an average speed of 67 kilometer. All right. Given to you the distance between her house, the house I put A lah, her house, okay, her house, H, to her office, that's her office, okay, office. Always draw. The distance between here and here, house to office is 120.6 km. Okay, all right. Okay, she leave her house at what time? She leave her house at early in the morning, 7 o'clock, 7:07:15 a.m. So 7:15 Okay. Now, how fast did you travel? You see there's a speed here, okay? So you have a distance equals to 120.6 kilometer. The speed that he travel the speed that he travel is 67 kilometer an hour, right? So you're supposed to find the time. Now, before you work out what time, you have to work out the hours that he travel from H to office, home to office. So based on the formula again, you come back to the formula again. The formula is this, right? So if I ask you to find, you're supposed to find the time this time, isn't it? Right? Okay? You're supposed to find the time. So what is the time? If I just circle the time, maybe Amira, you tell me what's the formula. Amira, what's the formula for time?
T equal distance over S.
You look at the triangle, you can tell, isn't it? Am I right? Yeah. So D over S, right? So I'll come back to this again. So the time is I draw this equals to distance over S. Okay. Now, when you look at the distance over S, you make sure all the units are the same. Don't be very careful the unit all of you. The moment you put in the wrong unit, then the answer will be wrong. So if I have, you see here, this is kilometer, okay? So this is kilometer, then that's okay. Yeah. If one is kilometer, the other one is meter, then wrong already. You take 120.6 over 67, then that's wrong. But if they are the same unit, then it's okay. Yeah. So one is km, the other one, this is km per hour. So it's okay. You check, make sure that all the units are the same. Yeah. So you do, okay. D over S is equals to, I'll continue from here, is equals to, what is D? Darwin, what is D? Can you tell me?
D.
Yeah, what is D? What is the value for D? D over S, right? What is D? What's the value on the book?
Distance.
Distance, what's the value here? 120.6, right?
Yes.
120.6. Can you tell me what is the speed?
67 kilometers.
67 kilometers per hour. Okay, take out your calculator and press. What do you have? What's the answer? 120.6 divided by 67. What is your
1.8.
1.8? Can you tell me 1.8 hour or 1.8 minute or 1.8 second? Is it 1.8 hour, 1.8 minute, 1.8 second?
Yeah.
What is it? 1.8 what?
Is it hour?
How do you know it's hour? Can you tell me? Why do you know it's hour? Why not minute? Why hour? Because it's hour because there's an hour here. Can you see there's an hour here?
Yes.
So you must follow. They have an hour there, then there's the answer will be hour, the time. So you must follow what is the unit they have. If you don't know, oh, am I using minute or am I using second, then you must look at what you use in your calculation. Since in my calculation is 67 kilometer per hour, then the answer will be hour. So this is hour, 1.8 hour, okay? So I'm going to write down, you're correct, 1.8 hour. I'm going to write down hour, okay? Yeah. Now, okay, you are going to add, can I say that you travel from the home to the office? From home to the office, this Sandy took 1.8 hour. 1.8 hour. So you 1.8 hour, can you tell me how many minutes is that? So I'm going to put it here, okay? 1.8 hour. Now, 1.8 hour is actually 1 hour, 0.8 minute. Am I right? Can I say that or not? Everybody, do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agree.
All you need to do, 1.8 hour is equals to 1 hour, is at 1 point plus 0.8. So this is the minute. So in order to change this, okay, 0.8 minute, okay. No, my mistake, It's not 0.8 minute, it's 0.8 hour, okay. It's 0.8 hour. Yeah, 0.8 hour, okay.
48 minutes.
Yeah. So 1 hour plus 0.8 hour. Okay. Now you're going to change this 0.8 hour to minute. Because 0.8 hour, you can't tell what do you mean by 0.8 hour. But you can see if you change it to minute, isn't it? So you will change it to, if I want to change it to minute, can you tell me what do you do with this?
Time 60
You-
minutes.
Very good. You must times 60 minutes, right?
40 minutes.
Times 60. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. 0.8 hour is 0.8 times 60. So it will be 1 hour.
48 minutes.
1 hour. Sorry, I'm going to make it meter for you so you all can see. 1 hour. 0.8 is equals to hour equals 0.8 times 60. Equals to 40 what?
48.
48.
Right? 48 minutes. So she took 1 hour, 48 minutes. Do you all agree or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now, so he took from the office, he start at 7:15 in the morning. To travel to the office, she took 1 hour 48 minutes. All you need to do is just take 1 hour 48 minutes plus the
Wow.
time. You plus together, right? Then you have the time that he reached your office, no? Am I right? Am I right to say that?
Yeah.
You agree? Okay, so how do you plus? So what you need to do is, I'm going to write down, okay, 7 in the morning, 7:15 a.m. You're going to add 1 hour plus 48 minutes here. Okay, so what do you have? You will have, add up together, 8 plus 5 is 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 plus 1 is 8. So you have 8 hour, it become 8 a.m. 7, 8 become 8 a.m. in the morning. So this is 8 a.m. in the morning, 8 a.m. Sorry, this is 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 63 minutes. Now, why is 63 minutes? I mean, your time only has 60 minutes only, isn't it? Right? So what you do is you carry 60 plus, you carry 60 over here, plus 60. Okay? You carry plus 60 over here. Then you will have become 9 a.m., isn't it? Because you add one hour, right? If you take away 60, this one remainder only 3 minutes. Am I right? Okay, so you have 9 a.m. and 3 minutes. So this is the same as what? This is the same as 9:03 a.m. in the morning. So that's the answer.
Mr. Wong.
Yeah.
So like 60. So because cannot exceed 60, you take the 63 minus 60, remainder 3, 903, right?
Yeah, 63 minus 60 remainder 3, but 60 you must carry to 1 hour. But 60 minutes 1 hour, right? So 8 a.m. you bring to the hour become 9 a.m.
Okay.
You cannot tell people, oh, he reached the office at 8 a.m. and 63 minutes. It make no sense. So 63 minutes has, your clock only show you 60 minutes only, okay? So you must bring the 60 minutes over to the time, which is 1 hour. So 8 a.m. become 9 a.m., but you remainder 3. So you have 9 a.m. and 3 minutes, which is 9.3 a.m., which is your answer. Your answer is 9.3, right? Yeah, same thing, isn't it? Same answer. Okay. All right. Is it okay? All of you?
Mr. Wong.
Yeah.
So the 1 hour 48 minutes plus 7:15 is 9:03 a.m., right?
Yeah. Correct. 1 hour 48 minutes plus 7 o'clock plus 7:15 a.m. Is 9:03 a.m. You're right. I mean, I just want to show you how you calculate, how you add. Some of you might not know how you add. Your normal addition is actually here. How you bring the minute to the hour, you put it into a time, that's all you have. You have 9:03 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Hazima, is it okay? Hazima?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Christine Chi there? Christine Chi, are you there? Okay, for you?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Mm,
You understand this?
what if it's minute, not hour?
Uh,
Will it be the
where is
same?
it? Where's the minute? Which one are you referring to? Can you tell me?
I'm
Which
not
minute?
referring to any question. It's just
Right.
if it happens that a question if it's minutes
Why?
instead of hour.
Oh, what I did was, your answer is actually 1 hour, 1.8 hour now. Actually, he traveled from 1.8 hour.
Yeah.
But I changed it to minute. The reason I changed, I know that the 1 is an hour. 8.8 is actually the minute. This 0.8 here actually refer to minute, I know. So if you ask somebody, oh, what is 0.8 hour? Nobody will know what is 0.8 hour, no? Am I right? But if you change it to a minute, 0.8 hour is actually 48 minutes. If people tell you 48 minutes, you will know what is it. But when people tell you 0.8 hour, you don't know what is it, right? So that is one of the reasons why we change it to minute. 0.8 times 60 give you 48 minutes. That's the reason. That's the reason why you have a 48 minutes. Okay, yeah. So after changing to the
Okay.
48, after changing to the 48 minute, I actually take it's actually from here, no. I take 1 hour 48 minute. I add to the time that she travel in the morning, which is 7:15. 7 hour. 7:15 means 7 hour 50 minutes. You know, you all know that. I mean, if you look at the hour system, if you start at 12 o'clock in the morning, it's actually 7 hours. But instead of saying 7 hours in the morning, we say 7 a.m., isn't it? But if you are looking at the 24 hours, it's actually the 24-hour system is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way to 24, isn't it, right? So this is actually 07, 0715 plus 0148. If you are looking at the 24-hour system, the 24-hour system is actually 015, okay? So if you add up together, I mean, if I make it to a 24-hour system, I don't use the AM. This is actually 08, this is 08. I take away all the AM. Not maybe AM not so good. Okay, it's actually 7 plus 1 is 8. Carry over becomes 09. So the answer is actually 09. Instead of having this, this might not be very good. To make it into a 24-hour system, it's actually I'll write as 0903. This is the answer. 0903. 09 hours and 3 minutes. So this is more, this is the 24-hour system. Okay, 0903. The answer, if you have 9.03 a.m. is correct. You give me 0903 hour also correct. Okay, so, yeah. See, all right? So if you take away the minute, you don't want the minute also cannot, then you put it as a 24-hour system. 24-hour system, no more minute. 0903. Yeah, hours.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know, when some people like to use 24-hour system, some people like to use a 12-hour system. 12-hour system, you have AM, PM, okay? Yeah, but if you use the 24-hour system, there's no AM, PM one. It's from 0000 to 2400. There's no AM, there's no PM. It go by the number. Okay, so this one go by the number. Maybe easier to see. Yeah, if you go by 0903. So up to you. You can give me 0903 AM or 0903 hour also can. Yeah, so you get the same answer. Yeah. Is it all right? Next one, okay, you do this for me. I want you to do this for me, please. This question more difficult. Your exam is closer to this kind of a question. Your exam. Yeah. Closer to this. This is still not considered difficult, Yeah, the question number 19. After I give you something more difficult, this is still not considered difficult. Again, you must draw out. You don't draw, you can't see one. I mean, you try to do like that without any drawing, you can't do one, okay? You got to make yourself understand the question by drawing out. Mr. Tan took 5 hours to complete his journey from A to B. Town A, Ang Mo Kio to Bukit Timah, town Ang Mo Kio town to Choa Chu Kang town, whatever. at an average speed of 90 kilometers an hour, but he took 5 hours, okay? Took all the way, every speed he took 5 hours, okay? No, the average speed he took 90 kilometers an hour. The time he took to travel is 5 hours. Yeah, that is it. Okay, but it's not so straightforward because you look at the question, like it says that during the first part of his journey, to go from Ang Mo Kio to Choa Chu Kang, the first part he from Choa Chu Kang he go to before reaching Choa Chu Kang he reached Bukit Timah first okay. During the first part he took 75 kilometers per hour for 2 hours, then left the remainder distance. He took an average speed, he didn't tell you how much, okay, and X kilometer an hour for the rest of the journey, the rest of the distance. You're supposed to find the average speed for his second part, okay. The second part, you're supposed to find the second average speed for the second part, yeah. All right, so by explaining this, then you probably don't quite understand what I say, right? So you draw out, like I say, okay. So you're going to draw. I'm going to draw two things, town A, town B, okay. This is draw. Okay, this town A, town B. From Ang Mo Kio to Choa Chu Kang, Ang Mo Kio to Choa Chu Kang, okay. Now let's write down. Now from A to B, we know that he travel from the speed. From here, I'm going to write down the speed here, okay. This is the speed, okay. From here to here, he travel at the speed of the time taken he took is 5 hours, 5 hours. And the speed he took is from A to B, from A to B, altogether he took average speed is 90 kilometers an hour. That's what we know, right? But not so simple. Let's now look at it. Now, during the first part of his journey, halfway, maybe 1/4 of the way, he actually travels slower. From A to here, okay. I'll put your A to C, A to C. First part, first part of his journey, he actually traveled at the speed of the time taken that he took is 2 hours. 2 hours. And the speed for the first part, he took 75 kilometers an hour. Do you notice that? Okay. But so the second part, he travel, they don't tell you you're supposed to find. He then drove an average speed of X kilometer for the second part from C to B. From C to B, he traveled, what is the speed? The speed is X kilometer an hour. They didn't tell you. You're supposed to find this, You're supposed to find this. Do you understand the question, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah,
So, okay. Now, first of all, they give you the whole journey. The whole journey took 5 hours. And the speed from A to C is 75. C to B is X, okay? So you can see it's different. But if you are looking at the whole journey, it's actually 90 kilometers an hour. Okay, so how do you do this? You're supposed to find the second part of the speed that you travel from C to B. How do you do this?
The answer is it 100 kilometer per hour?
The answer is 100. So I'm going to put down first. The answer is 100 kilometers an hour. So that's the answer. Okay. Anyone also got this 100?
I also.
You also 100. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So let us look at this. Yeah. How do you do this? Let them try. Everybody try first, and we look at this.
Mr. Wong?
Yeah.
How do you get the 100?
Yeah. You're supposed to work out for me. Somebody work out 100. You're supposed to work it out yourself. Yeah. I want you to do it yourself first. Yeah. I mean, 2 person get 100 I know. Just some mention, right? Li Ling and who? 嘉敏or 嘉尊呢？
Yes.
嘉敏嘉尊呢 okay. 嘉尊 got 100, Lilin got 100. Yeah. So how do you do this? You're supposed to find the speed from C to B. C to B. Yeah. How do you do this? How do you do this? So I look at this. The first thing I might want to find is from A to B. I know that the time taken is 5 hours and the speed is 90 kilometers an hour, but they never tell you what is the distance from A to B. Okay, so I might want to find out what is the distance first. Because if you look at S, if you look at S, look at this one. If I want to calculate this one, S is equals to distance over time, right? You know that this is the formula, okay? S is equal to distance over time. Do you know what is the distance from C to B? At the present moment, you don't know, okay? But you know that the time is the D, you don't know yet, the D, okay? So I'm going to put down D. Do you know what's the time? From A to B is 5 hours. A to C is 2 hours. Can you tell me what is C to B or not?
3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours. So you know that from C to B is 3 hours. If I can find the distance from C to B, I can find the speed already, isn't it? Am I right? You all agree? Yeah?
Yes.
Y'all, anyone don't understand what I just did? All I need to do is to find the distance.
Why 3?
Why 3? Okay. Why the time is 3 hours? Okay, I want you to look at, can you tell me what is the time taken? Look at the diagram I've just drawn, okay? What is the time taken from A to B?
5 hours.
5 hours. What is the time
5.
taken? What is the time taken from A to C?
2 hours.
So 5 minus 2, what is the remainder? C to B?
3.
3, right? That's why I get a 3 there. Yeah, now you know why I get a 3? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, now you know the time. Now I want you to find the distance. All I need to do, I do the same thing. I find the distance from here. Distance is equal to what for A and B? What's the formula?
Speed times time.
Speed times time. You all
Yes,
learn already, isn't it? By
Yes,
looking
sir.
at the
The
formula.
triangle.
Distance equal to speed times time, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the formula, okay? Distance equals speed times time, okay? So distance is equal to speed times time for A to B. Speed is 90 km per hour. Time. What is time? 5. Now you must look at the unit. Are the unit all the same? Hour, same or not?
Same, sir.
Same. It must be the same. So what is 90 times the distance from A to B? 90 times 5 is 450, isn't it? 9
Yes, sir.
times 5 is 45.
Yes.
It'd be 450 kilometer. Okay, A and B I know. Now I look at A to C. A to C. I put a D also. Okay. Also the same thing, right? What can you see my A to C? The D there. It will be 75 times 2, right?
So 75 times 2,
You'll be
150.
75 times 2 give you 150, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
150 kilometer. Okay, can somebody tell me what is the distance from now? A to B is 450 kilometer. A to C is 150 kilometer. What is the remainder C to B?
300, sir.
300, right? D will be, so this one will be D. I'm going to put down, erase this one first, so take away the line. So D is equals to 450 minus 150. Give you 300, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so D will be 300 divided by 3. Speed is
100.
300 divided by 3. What's the answer?
100, sir.
100. Now this is km, right? This
Yeah.
is hour, right? So it will be
Yeah.
100 km per hour. That's the answer, lor. Yeah. Is it
Mr.
okay?
Wong,
Yeah.
I don't
Yes.
understand the distance.
For which one? For which one you don't understand? C to B
The 450 or
minus
the
150.
when you get 100.
300. Okay. Now, I want you to tell me what. Now, you look very carefully, okay? This one is actually, this 300 is actually C to B. This is C to B, okay? C to B. Now, can you tell me what is A to B, Christine? What is A to B? What is the distance A to B?
75?
No, A to B is 450, right? Then A to B, this is the distance.
Oh,
450.
okay.
A to B is 450. What is, now you look at A to C. Tell me what is A to C? What is A to C? A to B is 450. A to C is, what is A to C?
300.
No, A to C is 150. 150. Right?
Oh, the
Yeah.
150.
300. Yeah. So now C to B will be, I take 450 minus 150, right? 450. 450 minus 150. I will get 300, lor. That's why.
I think I missed the 150 part.
Now do you understand this one? Now you know how I get 300. C to B is 300. I minus a different 450 is here. Minus 350, I will have the remainder. The remainder is CB. This is the remainder. This is 300. That's why I have the 300. Yeah. Right? Is it okay? Can you tell me which part you don't understand?
I can understand, but I'm not
it okay?
sure if I can do it or not, because maybe I forget.
Oh, you want to copy this down? Can you copy this down?
Yeah, copying down.
Okay, I'm going to put this video on the YouTube later. Because somebody asked me to record. I think it's a good thing. I record, I put on YouTube, and then I tell you where is it. You all can go through again. I'm recording this, okay? Just let you know.
Mr. Wong.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for all the lesson you got record, right?
The last one I tried but wasn't very successful. So I'm going to do it again now. I'm recording this.
Is there any way I can find those previous recordings?
No, that previous recording not successful. I'm just starting this time.
Okay.
First one. This is the first one. I hope this one is successful. When successful, I'll let you all know where is it. Is that okay? This one recording, just let you know, all of you.
Okay.
So any question? Do you have this? This one's supposed to be very simple. Still considered simple now. I'm going to give you a tough one already. Okay. All right. So maybe before I go to the tough one, I hope I can just do one more conversion of the speed. Yeah. Okay. I have 45 kilometer an hour. I want to convert it to meter per second. Can you do this for me, all of you? You must learn how to convert. The conversion is very important. You don't know how to convert, your answer will be wrong. Yeah. So you must know how to do conversion. Change kilometer an hour to meter per second. First thing you do, you look at, okay, 1 km, how many meter? 1,000, right?
1,000 meters.
1,000 meter, okay. And 1 hour is equal to how many seconds?
60 times.
60 times 60.
3,600.
3,600.
The second. Am I right, all of you? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
now you have this 45. So 45, 1 km is 1,000. 45 km will be 45,000 times 1,000, right? So it's 45,000, right? It's the
Yeah.
same as 45 times 1,000, you get 45,000. So this is km. Oh, so this is meter, sorry. This is meter. I changed it to meter already. So this is meter. Over now hour, I'm going to change to second, right? 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. So this is 1 hour. So got to put 3,600 seconds here. So you cancel, cancel. You have 450 over 36. Can you reduce to a lowest term, all of you? Help me to reduce to a lowest term.
12.5.
Maybe I divide by 3 first, is it 3 will be okay? Or divide by 9? Divide by 9, divide by 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 4 times 9, 36. 50 kilometer per hour, right? Meter per second. What am I doing? Still meter per second. Meter per second. So continue to reduce to a lowest term. It will be 25 over 2 meter per second, which is 12.5 meter per second. Is that the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the answer here, okay? You must reduce to a lowest term. What I do is, here I divide by 9, I divide by 9, here I divide by 2, here I divide by 2 again, you have 12.5. Yeah. So you know how to convert? Anyone got not sure how to convert? Anyone?
I'm still confused with the conversion.
Oh, the conversion you should confuse. Maybe
Yeah.
we do another one. How about that?
Okay.
Yeah, we do this one. Okay, you're going to convert this one to what? Let me see. Meter per second also. Meter per second. Now you must write down the unit first. Okay. Now you are going to change km to meter, right? Okay. So you're going to change km to meter. Better write down first. 1 km. How many meter? You learned just now. You're saying, right?
1,000.
1,000 meter.
1,000, right? Meter. You're going to change minute to second. So 1 minute. How many seconds?
60 times 360
seconds. 60 seconds.
seconds.
No, only 60, not 1 hour. So it's 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now you're going to convert, okay. Now 1.2 kilometer. Okay, just now who was it? Hazima, is it? Hazima? Is it Hazima?
Yeah.
Okay, now you see, 1 km is 1,000 meter. 1.2 km will be 1.2 times 1,000. 1,000. Okay, it will be, I erase this away, first of all, 1,000. So it will be 1.2 times 1,000, right? 1 km is 1,000 meter. 1.2 km, 1.2 times 1,000. Is it okay? So this is meter. Divide by, why divide? Because this divide, this is a divide, yeah? 1 minute is how many seconds? This is 1 minute. Per minute means 1 minute. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you must put 60 below. So what do you have? You have 1.2 times 1,000. What do you have?
So it become 20.
Oh, where's 20? Where's 20?
I got 20.
Oh, it's got 20. Okay, let's put together. So Amira, you can see you just have to times up. 1.2 times 1000 is a 1,200, right? Am I right? 1, 2, it'll be 1200 over 60, correct? Amira.
Yes.
Oh, no. Hazima, sorry, Hazima. Got the wrong person. Hazima. Hazima, am I
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Do you see that 1,200? Do you see this? How I
Yeah.
get this? Yeah.
I see it, yes. Because I also, while you're explaining, I'm also putting in the calculator, so
Oh,
I'm
okay.
trying to do it as I go. Yeah.
When you do calculator, easier lah. Because you
Yeah.
don't, you just press, you get the answer, right? So maybe you press it out. Can you give me the answer for this? 1,200 divided by 60, give you?
Wait, I think I got it just now. Hold on.
What's the answer? 1,200 divided by 60. What's the answer?
It's 20.
20, right?
Yeah.
It will be 20. What's the unit? Because we are converting to meter per second, isn't it? So this answer, 20 meters per second.
Okay.
So your conversion is important, The conversion, this part is important, okay? You don't convert it correctly, you'll never get the answer. Is it all right, all of you?
Okay.
Azima, is it okay? Azima?
I think I understand it now, because usually I'm very confused to like why you need to convert it, because sometimes like I don't understand. Do you need it or do you not need it? Because some questions need it, some doesn't. Some's like a trick question to me, so I get
Yeah.
confused very easily.
Oh. The reason they're converting now, because they want us to convert actually. They actually want us to convert a meter per second. So that's why we are doing it to meter per second. Yeah. If they never ask you to convert, of course we don't have to convert, right? But normal conversion depends on what they want. Okay, if they want meter per second, then you got to convert to meter per second. If they want kilometer per hour, then you got to convert to kilometer per hour. So whatever we are doing conversion, whatever it is, they're all the same. It's just that you must know your conversion. 1 km is how many meter, 1 meter, 1 minute, how many seconds, 1 hour, how many seconds, and so on. You must know this, then you can do a conversion. This, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, I understand.
Anyone else?
Yes, I understand this, but not the kilometer per second.
Not the kilometer per second, meter per second. There's no kilometer per second. Meter per second, right? There's no kilometer per second. Okay, maybe if I change the question, okay, maybe y'all do for me, Y'all do for me, okay. I take this away first. Yeah, I take this away.
I
Okay,
think that one is from another question.
there is another one. Which one? This one. Oh, this one. Oh, I see. Sorry. Okay, shall we do this? Christine, right? Christine asked this question. Can we do this, please? No, you are going to change it to another question. We're going to change the meter per second. Is it what you're asking, Christine? Is that what you're asking? You're asking this one, is it?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to change it to from kilometer per second, you're going to change it to meter per second. Now, I want you to see the second. Do you need to change the second or not?
No.
It's already there. It's already, no need. Yeah, it's already there, right? So all you need to change is to change what? Change to kilometer per meter to meter, right? You only change one only, yeah. So again, the same thing. You must write down 1 km is equals to 1,000 meter. You must write down this one, okay? So if it's 0.06 km is how many meter? 0.06 times 1,000, right? Meter per. Do you need to change below or not? No need. It's already second already, right? So the bottom part you don't need to change. It's already second. Yeah. You can see it's S and S is the same now. So no need to change. Don't need to change anything. So just to change the top. Yeah. So 0.06 times 100, what do you have?
60, sir.
6, right?
6.
6, right? Answer,
Six.
yeah.
Yes, 6.
So let's answer. That's one very easy. This one, no need to
Yeah,
change.
right.
Yeah. No need to change. Let's,
Teacher,
yeah.
why 100?
Oh,
I
sorry.
know.
Oh, yeah.
5,000.
Sorry. Alamak lah. Sorry lah. I missed out
Thousand.
that one. Yeah,
So
right,
that-
you're right. Yeah. So wait. I didn't see. Suddenly, my brain suddenly stopped working. So I'm going to put 0. Yeah, right. There's 1,000, right? So you'll be what? 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, 60.
I was
Yeah.
about to question
Yeah.
that because I was like, wait, if it's 100 it would be 6, but if it's 1,000 it would be 60.
Yeah. So don't always think that I'm right.
So the
Okay.
so it's
Yeah.
over 60 second, right?
No, over S, nothing to change. There's no
Over
60 seconds.
S.
Over S, it's not over 60 seconds. 60
Oh,
meter per
okay,
second.
okay. So that
Not
means
over 60.
don't when there's a S, don't change.
No need to change because S and S is the same. Can you see the S and S is the same? No need to change.
Yes.
No need to change. The S is already there, so you don't need to change. Nothing to change. Yeah.
Alright.
But you need to change the top because the top is kilometer, right? You need to change to meter. That's why you change the top. But the bottom is already S, so no need to change. This one no need to change. It's already S. You only change the top only. Right? Is it okay? This question?
Yes.
Okay. This one you do for me. Maybe the more we do, the more you know. You do this one for me, please. You're going to change it to kilometer per hour. Take note, okay? Yeah. So now you have meter per second. You are going to change it to kilometer per hour. Okay. Now this one, okay. Now you see, you must write down first. I told you, right? Write down. 1 kilometer is how many meter? 1,000, right? 1,000 meter. So if I go the other way around, 1 meter is how many kilometer? 1 meter will be how many kilometer the other way? It will be 1 over 1,000, right? 1 over 1,000 kilometer. It's the other way around, Okay, yeah. Okay, next one, One, now you change, because they want only second, second to hour, right? 1 hour is how many seconds? 1 hour is 3,600 second, right? Isn't it?
So one more zero, sir. One more zero, sir. Yeah.
Where?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Okay. My screen just now something. No, right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, the writing very slow, is it? I think the writing is slow.
Yeah, my sir. Thank you.
Okay, 1 second, how many hour? 1 second? Or 1 over 3,000
3,600.
over hour, right? So you all know, okay, this and this important now, okay? Meter to kilometer, second to hour. That's what we want, isn't it? Meter to kilometer, second to hour. Yeah? So that's what we want. Okay, let's start writing. Okay, 1 meter is 1 over 1,000 kilometer. 25 meter will be 25 over 1,000, right? 25 over 1,000, isn't it? Kilometer, right? This kilometer. Divide by 1 second. 1 second will be 1 over 3,600 hour. Am I right? So this is hour. Okay, that's what you want, isn't it? You all agree now?
Yes, sir.
So continue. Is as good as saying equals to, okay, it will be 25 over 1,000. Now this is divide, right? This is divide, isn't it? Divide by 1 over 3,600. Am I right? Same or not? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, same.
Yes, right? Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I thought, what is that?
Do you see? You know? So right now, can you tell me what to do? You tell me at this stage. You
So,
change to what?
Cross.
Change to what? Change to what? Tell me change to what? Change to what?
25.
Change what? What do you want to change now? Divide, you change to what? Divide.
Time, sir. Change time. Then crossover, right?
Yeah,
25.
not crossover. Not crossover.
Wow.
When you change your times, what happen? You 25
Okay, 25 divided by
over 1000.
times.
When you change your time, what happened to the number?
Go on top, the other come down.
Yeah, what happened? What happened? Tell me, Siva, tell me.
360 divided by 1, sir.
Very good. You flip over
Slip over.
3,600. Flip over.
Foreign terms are slip over.
Flip over. That become 3,600. Instead of 1 over 3,600, become 3,600 over 1. I flip over, right?
Yeah, flip over,
Yes.
sir.
Now you can cancel already, isn't it? All of you, right? Cancel
Sir.
the zero to top and bottom. 1020. 1020. What else? The top and bottom, right? This one cancel by 5. 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 5, 10. Give you 5 times 3, 15 over 2, isn't it? What is 15 over 2? 7.5 kilometer per hour. That's the answer.
Fantastic.
Yes. Yes. That's how you get the answer. Yeah. When you change something from very small to the unit become very big, it's normally more difficult. But when you do the first one, it's easier because when you do the first one, all these are very straightforward. Big one to small, big to small is very easy. But when you are changing from a small, like this one, this is actually very small, to big, it's actually harder now. Yeah. Okay, is that all right? How is it? Are you confused or what? Is it okay or not?
I'm confused because my calculator gave me the wrong answer.
Calculator give you
Give me
wrong.
90.
Oh dear, throw it away. -1.
I'm trying to calculate
change.
manually.
Oh no, your calculator
I'm
should
trying
work.
to understand.
No, your calculator should work. Your calculator should work. Maybe you press wrongly only. Use a calculator to help you. Use a calculator to help you. Yeah. Your best friend is your calculator. If you don't trust the calculator, then you got nobody to trust in the exam.
Teacher, I also get 90.
Yeah. Oh, you're writing now, is it?
No, I also get 90. 90.
90. Can
Yeah.
somebody tell me whether I'm right? Who got 90? Can somebody whether I'm right or somebody check, please? Siva, am I right? Siva?
I also 90.
I'm wrong.
No, sir. I check now.
5 over 2 times 36, right?
Where?
The formula, the 25 over 1,000, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait. You know what I saw? I forgot something. I take 5 times 3. I forgot about the 6. Alamak.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not 5 times 3. It's
90.
5 times 36. Yeah, you're right.
Still can cancel.
Wrong,
18.
No. You all don't get it. I take 5 times 3. It's not 5 times 3. It's 5 times 36. That's why I tell you, my brain freeze. It's not 5 times 3. It's 5 times 36. I miss out the 6. Yeah. So what is 5 times 36? Can somebody tell me what is 5 times 36? Oh, you can still cancel, right?
No, sir. Still can cancel, sir. Easier.
So you can still cancel.
18 times.
So it will be 1. 18. 18 times 5 is what? 90.
90. They are right, sir. 90.
Yeah.
90.
Is it all right? Christine, don't throw away a calculator.
Yes.
Correct.
My calculator is perfectly fine.
Your calculator is okay. My calculation is wrong. So
Mr. Wong,
Darwin.
so
Yes,
you
Darwin.
you take 2 divided by 2 equal 1, then 36 divided by 2, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Then the 90 is 18 times 5, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're right. 18 times
Okay.
5. So you all don't try to cancel, no. You all should actually make use of the calculator to help you. You should take this 25 over 1,000 times 36,000. Okay. I want you to use a calculator and press. Don't cancel. Just press and tell me what's the answer. Do you get 90 or not? 25 divided by 1,000 times 3,600. Do you get 90? Can you take out your calculator and press for me, please? I don't want you to press because I'll press when you try to delete that, sometimes you make mistake. Don't do this. You have a calculator to help you. Use a calculator to help you. Can you tell me? Do you get the answer?
Yes.
Yeah, safer lah. You know what I mean? You do this is safer, Amira. Am I right? Yeah. I missed out the 6 just now. I take 5 times 3. It's actually 5 times 36. But I didn't see the 6. Sometimes you write right, I also make mistake. Yeah. So you all know how to do conversion already. I don't think I need you to show you another one, right? Do I need to show you another one? No need? Yes? No?
Yes.
Another one? Yes? Yes, show another one, or yes, continue. Which one?
Show another one.
Oh, show another one. Okay, no problem. Let's look at it. Yeah. Maybe y'all do for me. This is 1,800, right? 1,800. Okay, yeah. You are going to change it to same thing. You're going to change it to kilometer per hour. Is it kilometer per hour? Yeah, kilometer per hour. But do you need to change the hour? Not tell me. Do you need to change the hour?
No.
Yes or no? Do you need to change the hour?
Because
No.
hour is there, right?
Hour is already there, right? So you don't need to. You need to.
No need,
No need.
no need.
No need, yeah. You only change the meter. So you only change the meter, right? But I'm going to write down, okay? 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. But you're going to go the other way, no? You're going to change 1 meter to kilometer, right? 1 meter will be how many kilometer? 1 over, same thing, 1 over 1,000 kilometer. Okay, let's do. Now, 1,800 meter. 1 meter is 1 over 1,000. 1,800 meter will be 1,800 over 1,000 kilometer, right? This one becomes kilometer already. Divide by 1 hour. Do you need to change the hour?
No need, sir.
No need. Yeah, so you just do it, isn't it? Yeah. So it's the same. So this one no change. It will be equals to 1,800 divided by 1,000
1.8.
kilometer per hour. Yes. So what's the answer?
1.8, sir.
Take out your calculator. For those who don't know how to move your decimal place, you might like to take out your calculator. Take 1,800 divided by 1,000. You should get
1.8.
1.8 what? Kilometer. Give me a unit, please, Siva. Kilometer
Per hour, sir.
per hour. Yes, correct. Yeah. So this one very straightforward. Yeah, very easy. Oh, is it all right?
Sir, but seems to be the conversion. I think for myself, I'm a little bit careful because the conversion. The conversion is saying I must always remember 1 km.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah. Once you don't know the unit to convert, then you can't do. Let's say, for example, if you don't know this, you can't do. Am I right, Siva? Am I right to say that?
Yes, sir. I must
Anybody
remember.
must remember this one. No choice. No choice. Like kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter also. But there's no centimeter here. But just in case there's a centimeter, you must know.
Yeah, they can give anything.
Must write down. So you all must write down. Try to remember. Write down. The conversion. Okay, you do this one for me. This one. You're gonna change it to same thing. Kilometer per hour. Okay, can you do for me now, all of you? Give me your answer, please.
Mr. Wang, may I
Yes,
clarify with you? It
Sure,
is 1
which one?
minute equals to 60 seconds, right?
1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Yeah, right. Okay, I'll write down for you then.
So then I So, I don't write the hour things, right? Like that.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not sure.
So then,
So I need to times 60
in
over
this,
1000.
you're talking about minute to hour, is it? Minute to hour. Are you talking about minute to hour? Yeah, you're referring to this question, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Now you
Is
see,
my answer correct?
okay. Now you look at this. Now they're talking about minute and hour. There's no second involved, so you don't care about the second. So you care about the hour and the minute. You know that 1 hour is how many minutes? Tell me. 1 hour, how many minutes? 1 hour, 60 minutes, right? So if it's 1 minute, will be how many hours? The other way, isn't it? It will be 1 over 60 hour. The other way, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Now you can do already. Yeah. So the other one also the same. So this is what we need. The other one is 1 km. 1 km is 1,000 meter. Same thing. I'm going to put it down. Okay. And 1 meter the other way around. 1 over 1,000 km. Okay. Now you can do already. So 155 meter is 155 over 1,000, right? 155 over 1,000. This is km. Divide by minute. Now divide by minute. 1 minute is 1 over 1,000. 1 over 60. No, 1 over 160. 1 over 60 hour. Is it correct? All of you? You need this and you need this. That's all. These two. 1 minute equals 1 meter equals to 1 over 1,000 kilometer. 155 meter will be 155 over 1,000. So the second one will be 1 minute is 1 over 60 hour. So it be over here will be 1 minute is equals to 1 over 60 hour. That's why you have this. Okay. So
Is it 9.3?
Oh, you answer 1.3. You're faster than me. 1.3. I'll write down first, okay? So let us do, for those who have not done this yet, let us do. So all you need to do is just put down the calculation, okay? Equal to 55. Siva, help me to check, please. Over 1,000. Divide by 1 over 60. Am I correct? Do you agree or not? Same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it
There was
correct?
one. Yeah.
All right. So equals to, then continue doing it. It will be 155 over 1,000. If I change to time, tell me what happened.
Change, flip over.
Flip over. The word flip over.
Sorry, sir.
Calculator and press for me, please. I don't want to cancel. I want you to use a calculator press. Maybe safer this way. Yeah. Sometimes you cancel, you make mistake. I also make mistake. Can you just press for me, please? 155 times 60 divided by 100. Somebody give me the answer. Is it 1.3?
755 divided by 1,000.
Amira, what's the answer, Amira? Or Hazima, anyone?
93.
90, 90.
93. 93.
90. Can you check everybody 93 kilometer per hour?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
sir.
93.
Is it
93.
Okay, I think everybody got this.
9.3.
9.3 or 93? Can you check?
I think 9.3 because one which I doing normal calculate, the other calculator where I left it. 155 divided by 1,000
I get it correct.
equal 0.95.
Wait, I missed a zero here. Yeah, there's a zero
I
here.
think 9.3, sir.
Is it 9.3? I missed a zero. 1,000. I put 100. 9.3.
Yes, sir. 9.3.
Yeah. Who is it? Amira just
9.3.
Yeah.
9.3, sir.
I missed out a zero just now. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
1,000. Okay. So it's 9.3. Yeah. 9.3. Is it correct? Check. 1, 2, 3 should be 9.3.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Wong.
Yeah,
Correct?
for me, I recalculated again. Yes, it's
Is it
9.3.
Yeah. Just now you calculate 93 because I miss out a zero. Maybe I miss out a zero and then you follow what I've just did. There's a zero there, 1,000, not 100, 1,000. Yeah. So it's 9.3. Answer is 9.3. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the last question from this exercise, you know. I hope you all know how to do already, yeah. Is it okay, all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, now this one considered very easy, Okay, I'm gonna give you one. Would y'all like to do in your free time? Can I just give it to you, post it on the Max, and then y'all do it?
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
Okay.
is it
Yeah.
about this topic?
It's about this topic. Yes, this speed.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I post it on mathematics? Can I post it there? Okay. The
Can,
question.
sir.
Yeah.
Sure.
I post it on the question, and then y'all look at the two questions on distance, speed, and time, and y'all look at it very carefully and do it. Is that okay?
Can,
PK
sir.
has exam question. Because exam
Okay.
question something like that one, no? Yeah. So okay, with this, is there any question? I'll stop here and then I'll post it on the internet for you.
Can, sir.
Is it okay? Yeah.
Sir, sorry,
Yeah.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Tomorrow, no lesson, because of the school
Oh.
holiday 1 week, right?
Yeah, right. Dolly has already sent a message to all of you. Tomorrow there's no lesson. As much as I would like to do an extra for you tomorrow, but I can't because I'm also on course tomorrow. Just like you, Siva, you're also on course, right? I understand. Is it? Yeah. I'm also
Yes.
on course tomorrow. So tomorrow, because Dolly has already sent a message to you. Tomorrow there is no lesson because IT having holiday. So everybody follow, no. So tomorrow no lesson. But our next lesson again, same thing, extra. I'll do an extra for you on Sunday. This coming Sunday, next Sunday. If you tell me what you like, I'll just do an one for you on Sunday. Just tell me what you like me to do. Is that okay? Yeah. So all right. In the meantime, I'm going to pose the question to you on mathematics, on distance, speed, and time. Y'all, I want you to take your time to do it. Not so simple, yeah, but y'all must take time to do it. Y'all must do.
Mr. Wong.
Yeah, Darwin.
So for now, anything I can do to practice or not while
Yeah.
waiting?
Yeah, I'm going to give you the question, or I'm going to post it on the mathematics. You all do it yourself. Is it okay?
Okay.
Mr. Wong.
Yeah. Christy?
Can I ask you?
Sure.
If it's not only this topic, can
Yeah.
we ask for the previous topics, like
For next Sunday?
like
Next Sunday, eh? Are you
yes,
talking about
next
Sunday? Yes,
Sunday.
of course. Anything. Just let me know.
Okay. Can.
Anything. No need to be this topic. Any topic that we have finished, you want me to go through again, I'll go through with you on Sunday. Just let me know.
Yeah. Thank you
Is
very
that okay?
much.
Yeah. Right.
So,
So
next Sunday, 3 p.m., sir.
yeah, same thing. 3 p.m.
All have a nice holidays. You also,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. All right, everybody. Yeah. Thank you. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye-bye. Thanks all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir, for the extra lessons.
You are most welcome. It's okay.
Sincerely,
Really.
sir.
You're most
You're
welcome.
committing. I told
Yeah.
other teacher
Yeah.
also. God, such a kind
You're
teacher.
most welcome.
Thank
Not
you,
bad
sir.
at all. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. Take care.
God bless
of
all,
you.
sir. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, teacher. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes. Can you
So
hear me?
for
Yeah.
because I didn't listen just now. So for 28 June, is it still online or
Okay, let me check. 28 is a Monday, right? Is it Monday?
Monday?
Okay, next Monday, Dolly has not informed us yet, so I cannot tell whether it's going to be online or whether we're going back to school. Very likely she will inform us on Friday, this coming Friday.
Okay, can. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. I'll see you again. Bye bye. Next week, next week.